The supplier list in Qonto is a key feature within the invoices section designed to centralize and manage all your vendor and supplier details, streamlining your accounts payable process. It acts as a comprehensive database for your business's financial relationships. The supplier list provides a single, organized place to see every supplier your business deals with. It offers a centralized view of crucial information, moving beyond just simple transaction history. You access it by navigating to Invoices and then selecting Supplier List in your Qonto web or mobile app. Key functionalities and benefits. This feature is all about efficiency and control over your payables. Centralized data and quick access. The list automatically or manually compiles essential supplier information, including contact details and banking information like their IBAN. This centralization saves time, as you don't need to hunt for payment details every time you need to make a transfer. You can easily search for any supplier on the list. A major benefit is the ability to track outstanding balances for each vendor. Next to each supplier's name, Qonto displays the amount you currently owe, giving you an immediate, real-time snapshot of your liabilities. This is vital for accurate cash flow management and tracking payables. The supplier list is tightly integrated with Qonto's invoice management tools. You can view the complete history of invoices associated with a specific supplier, whether they are unpaid, scheduled for payment, or already paid. This makes it easy to review past dealings and organize documentation for bookkeeping. Suppliers can be added automatically when you import and pay invoices, or you can add them manually. You also have the flexibility to edit supplier details at any time, such as changing their banking information or setting a default VAT rate, ensuring your records are always accurate before a payment is made. In short, the Qonto supplier list transforms scattered vendor information into a structured, actionable tool, giving your business better visibility and control over its spending and relationships.